It's a big blow up.
Once it gets, he said, once it gets over 550,
yeah, huge.
about the same.
Yeah, that's freaking fast. Yeah, Dad, you see the turbocharger in the corner? Oh yeah. In here. And then the exhaust.
emphatically said no. So I guess that's not an option. Hey, there's a cruising coming up, the Barnstorms, Sunday, July 5th, so that's coming up this Sunday. There is an entry fee, but a classic car show in Northport, on Northport Road in Rome City. Rome City.
And we got one coming up Saturday, July 11th. Next week, that's White Pigeon Days. Man, that's going to be great. So that's White Pigeon Days for July 11th. Pre-registration, and that's from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm suspecting there's some flyers around here somewhere for that. And of course, if you need to chill out a little bit, go over there and shout, that'd be great. Next week, we are going to do the tractor night, so again, sorry to switch that up on you, but next week, make sure you tell your buddies and all your friends to bring out the tractors, as well as the cars. We're going to do both. It's going to be a fun time. So we'll let you know, and again, be looking for our videos each week. If you come out on Facebook or our website, check it out. If you're missing it, you're really missing it. I mean, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Ask your friends, they'll tell you. And then the first responders is going to be July 16th, which is the week after the tractors. And then the Jeep night. We're going to have Jeep night. Let your friends know if you got Jeeps. We're going to do it once we get started. But why in the world do people always say tuna fish sandwich, but nobody ever says chicken bird sandwich? There you go. See what you did? Wow. Go to the Millbury Food Pantry, which is a great organization, does a lot of good. We've been volunteering there as well. So it goes to a great cause there at the Millbury Food Pantry. They help a lot of people. So every $10 donated gets you a ticket. 5 food items gets you a ticket. And that puts your ticket in for a chance to be drawn to win the quilt and help out the food pantry for the Stars and Stripes quilt from Bernice. Okay, we're going to call some. If your name's called, you come up to the table, check with Angela, and she'll verify that you're not cheating, and you can pick an item off the table. We got whoopie pies. We got. There you go. Awesome. I just put it back there. Party mix, sweet party mix. Oh yeah. We can eat that right now. Oh, I'm supposed to be picking people. I'm sorry, I'm getting all chatted up here. Brian Schlemoff. Brian Schlemoff. Yes, Mr. Ebersol, like a Anderson. Next up the bat. It is baseball season. Wayne Andrews. But soccer right now is taking over now, isn't it? With the big American win last night, USA. Wayne Andrews. Roger Commending. And this. That is the highest value right there.
You win next week, and the next week you can go the whole week to the fair. You're working on it, aren't you? All right, next winner is home. No electric. That's why. That's why it says no cord. You had me go. If it's John, I don't want to hear the joke. Did they answer why they call it a tuna fish sandwich and not a chicken bird sandwich? I don't know. I don't. Drew, it's been a long day, Denise. It's been a hot, long day already.
Body parts or what do you need?
You had no idea.
It was pretty rusty.
Ooh, it's a Miller. Dwayne Miller. Hey, some of you have been following Mariah, our daughter. I did get to talk with her today. She's halfway through the Camino Trail in Spain. She's loving it, hadn't had any problems yet. So they're about 250 miles down. They have about 250 miles to go. And most days are doing 15 to 20 miles. Popcorn time. Mr. Pearson. Pearson. Down on the farm. What do you want me to bring you, Tom?